Welcome to our channel, Innovation Exchange, where we break down cutting-edge AI tools and strategies so you can build smarter, more profitable, and future-proof businesses. If you've ever felt like every niche on TikTok or Instagram is saturated, this video is your game changer. The truth is, untapped micro-niches are everywhere. You just need the right lens to see them, and that lens is AI. Start with trend discovery. Instead of guessing what's rising, use AI-powered tools like Answer the Public, Exploding Topics, or Google Trends, plus AI summaries to spot emerging questions and interests. For example, instead of fitness, you might uncover postpartum strength for desk workers or mobility routines for gamers. These aren't just keywords, they're communities craving content. Next, go deep on social listening. Tools like Hype Auditor, Brand24, or even free AI prompts in Perplexity. AI can analyze thousands of TikTok and Instagram comments, hashtags, and bios to reveal unmet needs. Try this prompt. Analyze recent TikTok comments under Plant Mom and identify recurring frustrations or unanswered questions. The output might reveal, people keep asking how to save overwatered succulents, but no one shows the soil moisture test. That's your micro niche. Then validate demand with AI-powered competitor gap analysis. Use ViralMango or Pentos to scan top-performing posts in a broad niche. AI can detect patterns, which hooks convert, which formats flop, and, most importantly, what topics are missing. If 90% of budget cooking videos focus on students, but zero address diabetic-friendly meals under $3, you've found white space. Now, use generative AI to test content angles before you create. Feed your micro niche into Claude or Gemini. Generate 10 TikTok hooks for busy nurses who want 5-minute healthy snacks. Review the outputs. Do they feel fresh, specific, emotional? If yes, you've got signal. If they sound generic, dig deeper. Don't stop at text. Use AI image and video tools to prototype visuals. In Leonardo, AI, or Pika, generate mock thumbnails for your micro niche. ADHD-friendly meal prep for shift workers. If the visuals feel distinct and resonant, you're onto something. Finally, listen to your first 100 followers. Once you post, use AI to analyze comments and DMs. Tools like Notion AI or Fireflies can summarize sentiment and surface feature requests. One creator found her audience didn't want more yoga. They wanted yoga for chronic back pain after C-section. That insight turned into a 12K month digital product. The power isn't in replacing human intuition, it's in accelerating discovery. AI cuts through noise so you can focus on serving real people with real problems. And remember, a micro niche isn't small, it's focused. Yoga is crowded. Prenatal yoga for twins is a tribe. Speak directly to them, and you'll build loyalty no algorithm can shake. If you found this valuable, please like this video, share it with a creator or entrepreneur who's struggling to stand out, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos on AI-powered innovation, ethical automation, and smart strategies for the modern digital entrepreneur. Let's build with clarity together.